Samsung just dropped a mystery device at the Galaxy S25 launch event, and it might just be the most exciting phone of the year. The Galaxy S25 Edge was barely mentioned, but thanks to a now-deleted YouTube video, we might have just uncovered some major secrets. Buckle up because this is huge. A Spanish-language YouTube video, which was mysteriously deleted, allegedly showed a fully functional Galaxy S25 Edge. Thanks to Android Authority, we got a glimpse at some major details before it vanished. So, what did we learn? First up, the design. This thing is crazy thin. In the video, we saw the S25 Edge side by side with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 unfolded. And guess what? The Edge was just slightly thicker. That means we're looking at a phone under 6mm thick. For comparison, the standard Galaxy S25 is 7.2mm thick. Now, before you freak out about battery life, Samsung still managed to pack in a 4,000 mAh battery. Not massive, but definitely impressive for such a thin phone. The video also revealed some key specs thanks to a benchmark app running on the phone. The S25 Edge is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, backed by 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. So performance? No compromises here. Now, let's talk cameras. The leak suggests the S25 Edge has 3 lenses, but only 2 were actually visible on the back. Weird, right? According to AIDA64, all 3 cameras were listed as 12 megapixels, but don't panic yet. This tool only shows the resolution of saved images, not actual sensor specs, meaning that rumored 200 megapixel main camera could still be in play. And here's where things get even crazier. Another deleted YouTube video may have revealed the Google Pixel 9a in action. In a clip labeled Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge camera samples, we can clearly see a Pixel device in the background, rocking the classic obsidian black finish and a sleek pill-shaped camera bump. Could this mean the Pixel 9a is launching sooner than expected? So, when are we getting the Galaxy S25 Edge? Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet, but leaks point to a summer release, possibly alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in July or August. So if you're thinking about upgrading, you might want to wait. What do you think of the S25 Edge? Is the ultra-thin design worth it? And what about the Pixel 9 leak? Is that your next budget phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exclusive tech leaks and reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.